Ever glanced at the world of fitness and wondered how the realm of workouts is continually evolving? In the symphony of fitness trends, one name stands out: CrossFit. Picture a dynamic blend of strength, agility, and endurance coming together in a single training regimen. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of CrossFit, a fusion of disciplines that's sweeping the globe. But what exactly is CrossFit? How does it shape your body? And what principles guide its intense routines? Join me as we unveil the essence of CrossFit's allure. The rise of CrossFit, an energetic evolution. Amidst the ebb and flow of fitness fads, CrossFit has emerged as a radiant star. This phenomenon, birthed around 2 decades ago, emanates from the United States and has swiftly captured the enthusiasm of enthusiasts worldwide. Imagine a symphony of disciplines: weightlifting, kettlebell lifting, gymnastics, aerobics, strongman exercises, and more, all weaving together in a tapestry of transformation. But beyond the allure lies a crucial question: what exactly does CrossFit entail? Decoding CrossFit's essence. At its core, CrossFit is an embodiment of intensity, a blend of high-energy, full-body workouts. Picture a relentless sequence of exercises where repetition is the key to mastery. But beneath the surface, CrossFit is more than just a circuit. It's a symphony of movements meticulously choreographed to sculpt strength and resilience. The call of CrossFit: is it right for you? Amidst the allure, an essential query arises: does CrossFit align with your fitness aspirations? If your goal is an all-encompassing development, a harmony of strength, endurance, and agility, then CrossFit beckons. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a fledgling enthusiast, the CrossFit arena offers a space to challenge yourself, explore your limits, and etch new chapters of your fitness journey. The Kaleidoscope of CrossFit benefits. Let's delve into the Kaleidoscope of Advantages CrossFit bestows upon its practitioners. The cardiovascular system becomes a powerhouse. Endurance soars to new heights, and each muscle group is ignited in a symphony of growth. Sleep deepens, energy levels surge, and flexibility becomes your ally. But beneath the surface, CrossFit's magic isn't just about the physical. It's about fostering a mindset of resilience and empowerment. A glimpse into CrossFit's inner workings. How does CrossFit weave its magic? From its intricate dance of weights and reps to the mastery of body mechanics, the CrossFit regimen demands more than just brute strength. It demands technique and precision. Venture with us into the heart of CrossFit's training principles, where every move tells a story of dedication, progress, and the pursuit of excellence. Balancing act: CrossFit's bright and shadowy sides. As we navigate the CrossFit landscape, we must tread carefully between its bright and shadowy facets. On one hand, there's the exhilarating rush of progress, strengthening muscles, refining agility, and carving your path to a healthier you. But on the other, we unveil the risk of overtraining, the importance of technique, and the need for balance. CrossFit isn't just about pushing boundaries. It's about knowing when to take a step back. Fueling your CrossFit odyssey. Much like a ship embarks on a journey with ample provisions, your CrossFit journey requires the right fuel. Explore the art of nutrition that complements the intensity of CrossFit. From protein-carb combinations to nutrient-dense greens, we chart a course toward optimizing your energy levels and performance. Unveiling the CrossFit Code. At the heart of CrossFit lies a set of guiding principles. Honor the rhythm of recovery, respecting your body's need for rejuvenation. Delve into the art of planning your workouts, finding the sweet spot between intensity and rest. As we decode the CrossFit Code, you'll discover a roadmap to unlocking its full potential. Proceed with caution. The road to CrossFit mastery. The journey to CrossFit mastery isn't a sprint. It's an endurance race that demands strategy and prudence. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a newcomer, the importance of technique can't be understated. And remember, the road to greatness is paved with gradual progress, not impulsive leaps. The echo of the final rep. As we conclude this immersive exploration of CrossFit, the echoes of intense workouts linger in the air. Each rep, each drop of sweat, carries the spirit of your journey, one that extends beyond sets and reps, radiating into your everyday life. So, as we bid farewell, remember that CrossFit isn't just a workout. It's a symphony of dedication, growth, and transformation. Embrace the challenge. The CrossFit experience doesn't end with this video. It's a chapter in your ongoing narrative. I thank you for joining me in this deep dive into the world of CrossFit. Until our paths cross again, please subscribe, like, and share with a friend. I'll see you in the next video.